Hello, welcome to our first video update for the Introduction to Sociology course, SOC 210, for this summer. Again, I'm Jamie Edwards, and I'm your instructor for this summer. I've been teaching at Wilkes since 2000 in a variety of topics, originally in business and criminal justice and sociology for the past, I guess, 5 years or so. So I certainly welcome you to the class and thank you for registering. And please rest assured, if you have any problems or concerns, let me know. I'll be happy to try to help out. I do thank you for your patience in the last week. I left for Germany on May 19th and the United Kingdom, and did not return until last Monday late, the first day of class. So I've kind of spent the past week trying to catch up. Then over the weekend, yesterday and past 3 days, I've been actually in Boone with family. I live in Virginia now, and again, thank you for your patience. Wanted to remind everybody of a couple of issues. Again, thank you for your patience with the duplicate label instances. What we call labels are those items you click on in Moodle. For some reason, Moodle duplicated all of my labels during the recent upgrade while I was in Germany, and I do apologize for that. But when I left, prior to leaving, everything looked correct and as it should be. Then after I came back, after classes had started on Monday night, Tuesday, things were a bit amiss. So I do thank you for your patience. I attempted to clean those issues up last night. If you see other remaining problems, or if my attempts at making things better caused you individual problems or accidentally erased stuff on your end, please let me know so I can take a look at that and we can work out a solution to that technical problem that was our fault. The course today, on Monday, June 10th, a Getting Started lesson is due. All of our lessons are due by 11:55 p.m. of the due date, and this Getting Started lesson was just a lesson to kind of get our feet wet with Moodle and introduce the class and so forth. So we will be moving on for the first lesson. I know that many of you have moved on already. That first lesson is really an attempt to define sociology and what is sociology. And sociology is the study of society, of the interactions of large numbers of individuals and groups and so forth. That lesson is due June 17th. So we have about 7 days to complete this particular lesson. So again, we will be answering the question of what is sociology, speaking and talking a little bit about the sociological imagination, which is being able to see things as they are in a different light, using a different paradigm, and trying to filter out fact versus opinion. And that's a big topic in sociology, is trying to see things as it really is. Being willing and able to see patterns in data, for example, and being a good consumer of data and information. Because just because something is published or is on TV or the internet or in a book doesn't necessarily make it true. So one of our jobs is to make sure in sociology is to gain a fresh perspective and an attempt to see reality as it is, based on fact. We have some fun activities for this lesson, this upcoming lesson, the first formal lesson number 1. Especially an activity for those of you with Facebook accounts or those of you who might watch TV. Some of the medical TV shows such as Grey's Anatomy and so forth. ER, if you remember that type of show. So you have a choice of activity, so to speak. We have a discussion forum to complete, and the first lesson test, which is via Moodle. It's open book. No time limit, but you can only access the test one time, or the quiz, and it's on chapter 1. In the meantime, let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I will be following along in the discussion forum post, and please email me if you have questions. Thanks. Bye.